We are at the Augustus Tower here at Caesar's Palace. All right, you come in, straight to the left is the bathroom. Beautiful, double sink. You have the shower, which is individual. You have a nice big jet tub, which I love. Huge mirror. 2 more mirrors over here. Another mirror over here, just in case that wasn't enough. Use this as an ice box, because you're not allowed to use the fridge in the room. You have real glass, which I always like. These are actually decent sized, unlike most hotels. Here are some freebies you can get at the front desk if you ask for them. Bottles of water, some toothpaste, some mouthwash, and they're pet friendly. So they will give you dog bowls and dog treats and all this stuff for the room, which is super cool. All right, you have your private poo-poo room in here. Nice big mirror. The closet. It's got what most of them do, the clothes hangers, the ironing board. Here's what the room looks like. All right, so we've got 2 queen beds, got the Caesar's artwork up there. You have the Keurig coffee maker, little desk area right here, another mirror. Now you have the fully stocked mini bar. Everything in here is pretty darn pricey. Like I said, you're not allowed to use this fridge if there is open space. They'll charge you $75. And there's what the mini bar is stocked with, lots of goodies. Caesars has over 100 channels. They have the best movie channels for anywhere on the Strip. So if you did spend a night or day in the hotel room, you do have decent stuff to watch. All right, each bed has 4 pillows, which I like, and the beds are very comfortable. Got this big old wide open chill area with more art, the couch, the seats. Now I brought these flowers in, but this is a nice little table to have lunch or dinner. I like the curtains as well, and here is one of the best parts. You have the view of the Strip, across the street, the iconic Bellagio and the Watershow, and of course Paris and Eiffel Tower. And we'll come back and check this out and see what it looks like at night. Here's the view at night. Beautiful. And that is a review of the Augustus Tower here at Caesar's Palace. More details are in the description of this video. Smash that subscribe button for me. Help me get to my first 500 subscribers. Thanks for watching.